Hi everybody, you see we're back in the vegetable garden and we are looking at the sweet potatoes today, and I think these are ready to dig up, and I'm just going to explain how you will know that. So the first thing I'm looking for is the colour of the leaves, and you can see that they've changed from a really bright green leaf like this one, and they're starting to kind of brown and go yellow, and this is the main indicator. So what I'm going to do is just move the vine so that I can see where the actual root of the plant is, and it is here, and I'm just going to move that mulch away, and you can see there that is where the tubers lie. So the next step is to carefully remove the soil from around this to see what we have got. You can see the tubers there actually coming out a wee bit away from the plant. Now I could try and excavate this with my fingers, but I've got my spade here and I'm going to put it in at the side of the plant and lift this and see what we have. So just going to carefully might be something in there. Just excavating a little bit. Oh, there's a big tuber there. And I don't want to damage the tubers because once I lift them, I've got to cure them. Right, let's put that away. Oh, there's one there. So I just want to show you what's in this hole. So you can see there's quite a bit going on. So I'm going to work away at that. So you can see there's quite a lot on here, and not as good a harvest as we had off the one plant from last year, but from one plant I'm actually quite pleased with that. So let's get it out and tidy it up a bit. So we've got 4 reasonably sized tubers which we'll need to sit and cure, and a couple of smaller bits which I can use as soon as they're cured. They'll be cured in a couple of weeks and I'll be able to use them in the first Sunday roast. This one, as you can see, has had a bit of insect damage, but I've cleaned out the mud and we'll let it cure and we'll see what happens with it. But these are pretty kind of decent size, so just scrape off the mud a wee bit. That'll dry in the sun, and I'm putting them on this bench in the polytunnel because we're still getting temperatures of about 21 degrees in here during the day, and these will dry off and then they'll store well. If you don't cure them, they won't store, guys. So if you don't have a sunny polytunnel, then you can cure them in an airing cupboard as long as the temperature is quite steady and it's dry. So that's the sweet potatoes. I'll have a look at the butternut squashes, but I think they're not going to be ready today. So we'll maybe come back to that in the next video. Thanks for watching.